looking for Disney Pixar Cars toys. Okay, let's follow me. Let's go. Cucaracaca, cucurucucu, cacaracaca, cacurucucu. Wow, what is that, friends? Wow, what is this, guys? Lightning McQueen cars. Okay. Let's go, guys. Dinoco Crush Ramirez. Oh, Transberry Juice car. Oh, okay, let's follow me, guys. Francisco car. Okay, let's collect one by one, guys. Chicks High car.
Oh no!
Fabulous Hudson Hornet. Okay, very nice, guys. Wow, Dinoco King. Okay, Bumper Safe car. Oh, okay. Wow, 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 wow. What is this, guys? Wow, a lot of monster truck cars. Cek, aduh, guys. Jackson Storm monster. Okay, very nice, guys. Crush Ramirez monster. Oh, monster Lightning McQueen, guys. Oh, very nice, guys. Okay, guys, let's go again. Wow, guys. A lot of truck. Bumper safe truck. Very nice. Sheriff cars. Very nice, guys. Wow, Lamborghini Police. Okay, let's play, guys. Okay, let's go, guys. Big Fear truck, guys. Six High truck. Okay, let's go, guys. Very nice. Lightning McQueen car. Wow, what is that, guys? Wow. Okay, mari kita buka, guys. Wow, guys. What is this? Oh, peace cars. Very nice, guys. Mist fritter school bus. Wow, Lightning McQueen. Okay, let's play, guys. Okay, very nice, guys. Miss Michelle car. Wow. Jackson Storm. Wow, Lightning McQueen piston car. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you.